All right, so recording has begun, and I am going to start right at the beginning at my dashboard. So this new feature is true for any claim that you're looking at. So I am going to begin with going to our tester, Steph tester person. I'm going to scroll down to the Documents tab. And before we hop into the Documents tab, I just want to let you know that with the updates, we have not taken anything away. So if you're comfortable working with things the way they are, that's awesome. You might like to take advantage of some of the features I'm about to show you. But again, we haven't taken anything away. So we'll start with clicking on the Documents tab. A couple of things you're going to notice here. And if y'all could mute, that would be great. So under the Documents tab, you'll notice the first thing you might notice is there are more documents here than you usually see. And there's a couple of reasons for that. The first reason, the most exciting reason, is that now any document that has to do with this claim and is attached to this claim is now here in the Documents tab. So you'll see all kinds of things. The documents will still be in the other locations where you used to find them, but everything is here in one spot in the Documents tab. So you can scroll down and see that. A second reason for this list being longer is have updated the items per page. So we now have 50 items that you can see at one time without having to go next when you're searching for your documents. So in this case, this particular claim has 33 documents, so I can see them all by just scrolling up and down since that's below the 50 limit. The third thing that you'll notice is that we have added this indicator. So if a claim like this annual SI claim, it doesn't have any attachments at all. But if you take a look, this discontinuance has an attachment. This notice of representation has 2 attachments. And there's a quick way to take a look at what those attachments are. If you go all the way over to the left to the caret and click, Campus will show you what the 2 documents are. And if you want to take a look, you can view them straight from that screen. So here's our test document. And then the last thing I want to show you that we've added is this related transaction ID column that's over here on the right. And this will give you what is a related transaction. So as you look at a document on the left, we've got like this notice of representation that we were taking a look at. If you follow it over, you can see it's related to this same claim. Something else like a request for mediation, this one is attached to a dispute. So you just have a little more reference for moving around and for navigating. So those are our 4 really cool updates that we have. So again, you've got all the documents in one spot. You've got, you can see more than 10. You can now see 50. You can view attachments. And then you also have related transaction ID if you want to take a look at documents that are related. So I'm going to stop recording